welcome everybody this evening to a wonderful event.
How many people here are investors?
This evening is going to be nothing short of spectacular. I'm Keith Herman. I am from IPA Equities, the founder, also founder of PMBC Group. I've worked with over 200 technology companies.
Yeah, so for the entrepreneur, what I would say is, let's just go back to the beginning when I did my first startup. What I learned is, you want to get that money and you want to hit the ground and get running. And that's really what's on your mind, not really an alignment of interest. If you go out and you raise $1 million at a time, you're never going to get there. I mean, that's just the way it is. You raise money initially, basically, to use that money to go raise money the first round. So let's say you raise $250,000 to go raise $2 million. You use that $2 million to get your MVP, to get to a certain point, and then you're going to go for $5 or $10 million. If you're burning through $1 million at a time, as an investor, I'm looking at that going, these people don't know what they're doing. Why would I invest in them when they're constantly burning through money and constantly fundraising? They're never going to get to the finish line because they're just not organized. It's important to focus on running your business. If you're a tech entrepreneur and you know tech, that's what you should be doing. You shouldn't be consumed with running a business and chasing money. And, you get the money and go to work. Small rounds, all you're going to be doing is everything other than what you're supposed to do. And it just, lowers your chance of success. It's alignment of interests. I mean, I'm trying to think of both sides. When you're an investor, it's almost easier because you've already been on the other side. But when you're an entrepreneur coming in, you don't know what the other side is like. So for entrepreneurs, what you need to say is, do I feel good about this? Does this feel right? Do these people feel like they're on the same, bus as me? Am I having difficulties communicating with them? I mean, all these things to me are what are the most important to an entrepreneur. And you can work through all the issues. You can negotiate terms that are fair. You can have discussions. If it's a take it or leave it deal, then I would tell you to leave it. The more sophisticated you are as an investor, basically what you're doing is you're mitigating risk. You're trying to you're more focused on preservation of equity, saving your money versus, making 1,000% on your money. You'll take less. But that's why a lot of folks will not invest, and that's why they say friends and family are seed money. Those are the folks that are willing to risk for you, but sophisticated investors want to come along after that.
It's always great to give some people some takeaways.